Hi, third grade. Okay, let's look at this website that I also have here for you to use for today's lesson. So this right here is a balance scale, or also called a pan balance. And when this when this brown bar here is, level, it means that both sides of the pan are balanced, meaning that they now weigh the same amount. And so in today's lesson, we're talking about measuring the mass of something using grams. And so here we have 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams, 4 grams, and 5 grams. So let's put 5 grams on this side. See how the balance scale is now off balance? If we were to take another 5 grams and put them here, now the scale is balanced because both sides weigh 5 grams. And you can see that this little light in the middle changed to yellow, telling us that it's balanced. Okay, off balanced again because this would equal 9 grams and this only equals 5. So to get this equal to 9, we would have to add 4 more. And you could do that anyway. We could add it by going 1, 2, 3, and you can see how it's slowly getting more balanced, and 4. So you could just add these up: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are both now balanced. And to clear your scale, you just press this reset button. Now let's start using objects because that is what we're doing in today's lesson. So let's start with an apple. All right, here we have the apple on the right. Let's see how many grams it takes to get the apple to equal, or let's see how many grams it takes to have the apple equal the same amount. So let's start with 5 because it looks pretty heavy. All right, it is not equal. So we still need to keep adding weight over here to get the balance equal. I'm gonna add another 5. Oh, okay. So now you can see that this scale is balanced. So we would know that this apple weighs, how much does this apple weigh? 10 grams. And that G stands for grams. Let's do another one. Do a donut. Okay, let's start with 4. Let's do another 4. Oh, so look what happened when I added another 4 grams. The balance is off scale, but now going the other way. So we know that 8 grams is too much. So let's add 3. Ooh, again, 3 is going to be too much. Let's see, we've got 4. Let's add 2 grams to make it 6 grams. Nope, still too heavy. Let's add 1 gram. There we go. Now we know that this donut weighs 5 grams. Do one more together. Let's do a football. Right, that's pretty heavy. So let's definitely start with 5. Okay. Let's try another 5 grams. Now we're at 10 grams. Wow. Let's do another 5. All right, we're at 15 grams. And we still need to add more because this scale is not balanced. Okay, so we're at 5, 10, 15. Let's see if we can go to 20. Uh-oh, what happened when we did 20? It was too much. So let's start with 4. Still too much. Let's go to 3. Still too much. Too much with 2 grams. It's got to be 1 gram. There we go. So let's count up the grams. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So we would say that this football equals 21 grams. Okay. So this is a tool that you can use to help you with your homework and on your test. So when we're doing the lesson together and we're talking about grams and we're talking about making the scales balanced, this is what that would look like. Okay, I hope this is helpful. So now go back to the lesson and keep pressing play.